Hey guys, it's me, Enzo Dog YT, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new phone. This is going to be my main phone. I'm upgrading from my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G that I've been using for 4 years now, or almost 4 years, 3.5 years. It'll be 4 years in, actually more than 3.5 years. It'll be 4 years in December. But yeah, so I recently got this device, and well, actually, I just got it in today. I bought it about a week ago, and it finally just came in, and I'm so excited to be unboxing it. This is the Google Pixel 9 Pro, and it is the 256 gig version, 256 gigabytes of internal memory. So I'm just using my thumb to cover my IMEI number, um, since I will be using this phone personally. Yeah, this is the Obsidian model. So this is the Obsidian black color I chose. I originally wanted the white one, but I got the Obsidian black because it shipped sooner. It was on back order for less time, so it came within a week. It said that it was going to be estimated delivery around November 4th. I'm filming on October 24th, 2024. But yeah, this thing is uh, really nice. It comes in a very thin box, surprisingly thin for a phone of its size, but I guess that's because they don't give you a lot of contents in the box. I'm not entirely sure if it comes with any like physical literature or anything like that, like owner's manuals or anything like that. So I'm just going to tilt this down a little bit. So yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing this thing. I'm going to try and be as delicate as possible with the packaging because I want to preserve it. I'm going to keep the box, so you just pull on that tab like that, or maybe just maybe pull these tabs, I guess. Oh no, maybe they are directional. Okay, so I guess I am supposed to pull this down. There we go. So this front flap comes off like this. I'm going to keep that because it has my MII on it, all that info. So anyway, here's the box itself. I'm going to open it, and on top we have the device. Here, I'm going to put my tripod a little bit further down. There. There we go. So here is the device. We'll go back to that in a moment. I believe this is actually the... Okay, so it does come with owner's literature, owner's manuals, and stuff. I was nervous it wouldn't come with it because, you know, well, modern phones don't really come with much in the box anymore. So it comes with your SIM ejection tool, and oh, this is just the arbitration agreement that Google gives you. So I guess it doesn't come with literature anymore, huh? I do like the cutout for the the back of the phone right there with the visor design on the back. I really like it, actually. So here's the device. Let me zoom out a little bit. Here's the device itself. I'm gonna put this to the side for a moment. I'm gonna put it down right there for a sec. So it seems like, yeah, all you get is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Which, yeah, I'm glad I have it, but yeah, I guess they don't really put much in the box anymore. I mean, my S20 FE, which I got a couple years ago, like I said, like 3 years ago, that had all the owner's manuals, all that. And I know this phone is eSIM compatible, and like they want you to use eSIM with it, but it does have a physical SIM tray, so I'm going to be just inserting my normal nano SIM into the device when I switch. So yeah, here it is. Without further ado, I'll just pull it out of its protective sleeve, and here it is, the Pixel 9 Pro. I really like the matte finish on the back. The Pixel 9, like the regular version, has a glossy finish on the back, and the sides are matte finish. But on the Pro, which I bought, it's got the gloss sides with the matte back, which I really like. I prefer it to the 9. I was actually going to get the 9 originally, like the regular 9, because it's still a little cheaper, but I realized that this is the way to go. It's not too much more expensive. It's got a much brighter screen. This has a 3000 nit screen. The this Pixel 9 Pro, like I said, has a 3000 nit screen. There's only 2700 nits on the screen on the regular Pixel 9, and yeah, and I was thinking about getting the Pro XL variant, but that phone it's too big for me, honestly. I wish that phones would get smaller again, to be honest with you. And yeah, honestly, I did look at a few other phones before I decided on the Pixel 9 Pro for my upgrade. I looked at the iPhone 15. I looked at the Motorola Razr Plus, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and the regular Google Pixel 9, like I said previously. But this one was just the best option for me. Software-wise, iPhones are more closed source. Well, they are closed source, so they're more restrictive, and I sideload apps off the internet pretty often since I'm an Android user, so that's something that I care about a lot. And yeah, honestly, I just didn't want to shy away from Android and switch to iOS again because I didn't have the best experience with iPhones in the past when I had my 5S back in the day. But yeah, so I didn't get the iPhone 15 or 16. And then I was thinking of the Razr Plus, so I looked at that, and I really liked it, but because the foldable phones are so new and they don't have the reliability with the hinge mechanisms on those devices aren't quite there yet, from what I can tell from reviews I've seen by other tech YouTubers, and just taking a look at those devices myself in person. It doesn't feel very trustworthy. So that's why I decided to not go with the Z Flip 6 or the Razr Plus, even though I like those phones a lot. So then I checked out the Pixel 9, and I was going to get that, but then I saw how much better the Pixel 9 Pro is for the money. I mean, you get a brighter screen, like I previously mentioned. You get a better camera. You get a faster processor. And then everything else is relatively the same. I mean, they are essentially the same phone, except with some slight differences. Like I mentioned earlier, the sides and the back on the Pixel 9 are the opposite finish from this device. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's just my quick unboxing of this device. I will eventually come back here with a review when I am all acquainted with the phone and I've played with it a little and gotten used to it, got it all set up. Honestly, it'll probably be after I switch to this device, which I'm going to be getting a skin and a case for it. So once I get those in the mail, I will switch to this, and this will be my main phone, of course. But yeah, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro, 256 gigabyte on T-Mobile. And yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.